Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams for dropshipping support coordination, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in to your account. Once logged in, create a new team by clicking on the Teams tab on the left panel. Select the Join or Create a Team option at the bottom of the Teams list. Choose Create Team and select from scratch for a customized setup. Select private or public based on your preference for team visibility. Name your team something relevant, like dropshipping support coordination. Add a description to clarify the purpose of the team. Click Create to finalize the team setup. Invite members by entering their email addresses or selecting them from your organization. Once members are added, navigate to the General channel within your team. Select the Files tab to upload any relevant documents or resources for dropshipping support. Click on that Add a Tab button, located at the top of the channel. Choose the Planner option to create a task management board for tracking support requests. Name the planner as Support Tasks and set it up to organize tasks effectively. Use the chat feature in your team to communicate in real time about ongoing issues. Establish a specific channel for customer inquiries to keep discussions organized. Consider integrating relevant apps within Teams like Trello or Asana for enhanced project management. Set up notifications for any critical updates to ensure the team remains informed. Use the meeting feature to schedule regular check-ins for support coordination. Once everything is configured, encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the layout. Regularly update your team on any changes in dropshipping policies or updates. Review the team's performance weekly to identify areas for improvement. Foster a supportive environment by encouraging team collaboration and feedback. Adjust settings and permissions as necessary to maintain effective communication. Start using Microsoft Teams as your central hub for dropshipping support coordination to streamline operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.